Hey everyone, Nick here from aquapoolsupply.com. Today we're going to be doing a backwash on a DE filter. If you have a DE filter or a sand filter, backwashing is a common thing you're going to have to do periodically. Backwashing your pool filter is crucial in order to keep the health of your pool equipment at its highest. But Nick, when do you backwash your pool filter? Let me show you. Hello. So typically, you backwash your pool filter when the pressure rises above 10 psi from where it started after the last time you backwashed it. For example, I'm almost at 30 psi now, and after this backwash, we should be just under 20 psi. So there's our start. We'll take a look at this again after. All right, so first things first. You can't backwash a pool filter without turning the pump off first. So kill the power on the pump. All right, power's off. Next thing, we gotta turn this push-pull valve into a different position so it reverses the flow of the water. All we're gonna do is we're gonna open it by turning it and then pulling it up. There she goes. Okay, now we got that up, and we can turn it back to the lock position. So that's how that looks when you have the flow reversed. Now we're ready to roll out. All right, our hoses ran out. We're ready to flip the power back onto the pump and get this backwash party started. We're in backwash position. Hoses ran. It's powered up. Well, that didn't work according to plan. Let's turn it on. Quick clean there, watch the hose, just make sure it all works out good. Let the hose run for a minute. See how it's still a little dirty. Let it run for about a minute until it gets clear. That's pretty good. Let's go ahead and hit stop again. Now, you can pull this back to open, back down to where it wants to go. That, lock it back up. Now we're locked and ready to go there. So the only thing left to do is we got to add the DE back. Okay, this thing's ready to go now, so let's start it back up. Okay, a lot more suction in here now. Let's let out some of that extra air. And check out that PSI now. A lot better than 30 where we were at. We're down in the 20 range now. So that's looking good. Okay, last step, we gotta add the DE. For just about any filter, you're gonna add 3 or 4 scoops. Get yourself a DE scoop like this. Equals to about 1 pound. So fill this thing up and you drop it right in the skimmer. like that. Okay, there's one. Then that feeds back into the filter. And that's what does all your filtration for you. So here comes two. Be very careful with DE, especially if it's really powderized. There's carcinogens in there, so you don't want to breathe it in. And there's three for me. Just kind of wash up. Get any in there, you can kind of wash it up. Throw your basket back in, and you're good to go. Got some really good pressure here. Let out the last bit of air. Check your PSI. Post backwash. Make note of that PSI, and you'll know when it's time to backwash your filter next time. Until we meet again, aquapoolsupply.com. My name is Nick. Catch you next time.